Good day to all of you. Today we shall study quantitative aptitude in that arithmetic ability section. The topic being percentage. This is my 7th video on this topic, that is percentage part 7. Percentage related problems can be seen in almost all daily applications and in all competitive exams. Hence, we need to solve all different kinds of problems on this topic. So we shall solve percentage related problems on population, election, exam marks, sales and salary or wages. Okay. In that, the first question being the present population of a village is 5500. If the number of males increases by 11% and number of females by 20%, then population will become 6330. What is the present population of females in the village? First, let us discuss some basics needed to solve this problem. Then it becomes easy to solve this problem. So let us take value 1000. So if this is increased by 10%, right? What is the final value? 1000 plus 10% of 1000. Okay. This is 1000 plus 10% means 10 upon 100 into 1000 as it is. So this will be in bracket. So here 1 is there. So 100 ones are 100 tens are. Now here 1000 as it is. This 10 into 10 100. So the final value is 1000 plus 100, that is 1100. So this was the earlier value and after 10% increment it has become 1100. Next we shall think how quickly this can be done, right? So what was the original value? 1000. So what was the increment? 10%. Then what is the final value? That is the question here. So 10% increment means 10 upon 100, that can also be written as 0.1. So it is 10% of 1000 means 0.1 into 1000. That is added to this whole, that is original value. That is 100% we have to take plus 10% we have to add. So 100% means 100 upon 100, that is 1. So 100% of 1000 means 1. So if you take common here, 1000 is there. In bracket this 1, this 0.1. So 1 plus 0.1 we can take. So 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1 into 1000 as it is. So 1.1 into 1000 is 1100. This is the same answer as the previous one. This is the original value. After 10% increment, the final value is this 1100. So original value we can take directly, it can be multiplied by 1.1. 0.1 is 10% increment. 1 gives the original value. So 1 into 1000 original value, 0.1 into 1000 increased value. So 1000 plus increased value is 0.1 into 1000, that is 100. So 1000 plus 100, 1100. Okay. Now taking same 1000, if it is incremented by 50%, then 1 means 1000 original value is taken. 50% means 50 upon 100. So 50 ones are 50 twos are, we can do 50 upon 100. 50 ones are 50 twos are. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So 1 plus 0.5 will be 1.5 into the value 1000. If you take 1500. So 1000 after 50% increment becomes 1500. This we can get just multiplying 1000 by 1.5. 1 means 1 into 1000 original value. 0.5 means 50%. So 50% of original value. That is what is 1500. Similarly, if 1000 is taken, if it is incremented by 2%, now we have to observe very carefully, because 2% means 2 upon 100, 2 ones are 2 50s are. If you do divide 1 by 50, that is 0.02. Now to 1.02 we have to add that into original value here. Okay, this is 1.02 into 1000, right? Now it becomes 1020, because 0.02 into 1000, that is the increased value. So this, if you do 2 as it is, 3 here, and leaving 2 decimal places, if you give point, it becomes 20. That 20 is added to original value. Original value is 1000. 2% increment means it is 20. Then final value means this plus this, that comes out to be 1020. This is how directly we can take decimal equivalents of the percentage, and multiplying with original value we can get the final value. This is the basic needed for solving today's problems. Okay. Now we'll come back to first problem. Here the present population of village is 5500. So this is original value. This is of present population. If the number of males increases by 11%, so number of males we don't know, let us take it as x. If it increases by 11% means 1000 was increased by 50%, means it was multiplied by 1.5. It was increased by 10% means it was multiplied by 1.1. Now here if x is increased by 11% means it becomes 1.11x. That is the population of males after increment. And number of females increases by 20%. So present population of females we don't know. Let us take it as y. It is incrementing by 20% means after incrementing final value of females is 1.2 into y, because 20% increment. Here 11% increment in males original population. Here 20% increment in females population. This is final value of females population after incrementing. This is the total population of males after incrementing. But present population x and y. So males population and females population, their sum, that is given as 5500, right? So that is present population. After incrementing, the total population is 6330. Now these two are the equation. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Here there are two unknowns and two equations. The first unknown is x equal to how much we can calculate here, y equal to how much we can calculate here, because two equations, two unknowns we can calculate. This is the present population of males, this is present population of females. But what is the question here? What is the present population of females in the village? Hence this forms the answer. This is the analysis and approach to solve this problem. Okay. So next we shall take these two equations and find x and y. Now taking the two equations, x plus y equal to 5500, 1.11 x plus 1.20 y equal to 6330. Now from this equation, so keeping y one side, then 5500, this x when other side it goes, it becomes minus x. So this y value we have to substitute here. Then 1.11x as it is, 1.20 as it is, in bracket y is 5500 minus x, and that equal to 6330. 30. Right? So what is the equation here? 1.11x plus 1.20 into 5500 minus x equal to 6330. Now using this equation we can get x equal to how much? That we shall do next. After finding x, we'll have to substitute here, then we will get y. So this is next part of solution. Now we have substituted here y equal to 5500 minus x. Now solving this equation. So 1.11x plus 1.20 into 5500, that we have to do. That will be 6600, and this minus here. So 1.20 into x, that is 1.20x. So this 6330 as it is. Now rearranging. So 6600 this side and minus 6330 equal to this 1.20x, which is minus, the other side it becomes plus, so plus 1.20x, and this when it goes to other side it becomes minus, so 1.11x with minus sign here. So 6600 minus 6330 is 270, and 1.20 minus 1.11x is 0.09x. Hence x equal to, we'll send this other side, it becomes divided by 270 divided by 0.09. Now you shift this decimal 2 places, give 2 zeros here, 9 ones are 9 threes are 3 zeros are there. Hence x equal to 3000. This is the first value, that is the present population of males, that we have to put in this equation, right? X we have to substitute 3000, then we get y. Okay, so x is found out to be 3000, that we shall substitute here. 5500 minus 3000, that is y. So y is equal to 5500 minus 3000 is 2500. So what is y here? Present population of females. That is what is asked in the problem. Hence the answer is 2500. Present population of females. So coming back to the problem statement here, this is multiple choice question. Y is found out to be 2500, which is C option here. Hence we have to tick this. That is what is the solution of question 1. Okay, and that is what is mentioned here. And okay, in today's session we have solved percentage related problem on population. The remaining we shall solve in next sessions. Here understanding of basics is very important, and the solving of the problem in a very less time is required for any competitive exam. So when we understand the basics, we need to learn how to apply them very fast so that we can solve any problem in any competitive exams very fast, which is most needed. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.